Hi guys, I'm so excited to see you. Oh my goodness, today is December 9th and we have another edition of our Advent Christmas calendar by Sugoi Mart by Japan Crate, or from Sugoi Mart by Japan Crate. I hope all is well with you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful week. I hope that, everything is great in your world. Thank you so much for stopping by. And let's see what we got in our Advent calendar on day 9. You ready? I'm ready. You ready? Cool. All right. Bye. All right, guys. So here is our Advent calendar. So day 1 are Thunder Bars. Yum, yum, yum. Day 2 was our wonderful ball Pac-Man, I think. But we can't get it out, which did still kind of break the box. 3 was our Kirby planetarium. Here. 4 was our matcha latte, instant latte. 5 was our sushi. It's like every day I forget what I did. And so our little sushi squishies. Keychains. And let's see. 6 is our bunny. Fluffy bunny. Bunny. Then 7. Ooh, troll chocolate. Oh, this is awesome chocolate. 8. Let's see. Oh, 8 was. Ooh. Again, forget that we did this. Our awesome mask. And then let's see what 9 is. 9. That's, look. We're taking a bath in 9. That's awesome. Ready? Oh, what is this? Ooh, yum. Oh my goodness. It's curry. Oh yeah. Smell good curry. Oh yes. Or good smell, good curry. Excuse me. I can't read. Oh, I adore curry, guys. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh yeah. All of this. Love it. Love it. Curry. Yummy. We're gonna make some curry rice. And I'm gonna have to film that. All right, day 9.